Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to introduce two beloved Korean beef-based hot pot dishes: assorted boiled hanwoo platter and spicy beef tripe stew. These dishes are not just meals, they're perfect as side dishes to enjoy with alcohol, which is a big part of the dining culture in Korea. Sharp assorted boiled hanwoo platter. First, let's talk about the assorted boiled hanwoo platter. This dish is made by boiling and steaming a variety of hanwoo, Korean beef cuts, and then warming them up in a hot pot, with a savory broth made from sulentong ox bone soup. One of the best things about this dish is that you get to enjoy different cuts of beef, each with its own unique texture and flavor. Hanwoo, known for its low food mileage, has a milder smell and is more tender compared to other beef, making it ideal for this dish. Here's a breakdown of the flavors and textures of each cut. 1. Brisket, soft and slightly chewy. This cut is full of flavor. When dipped in the soy sauce-based dipping sauce, the rich beefiness, combined with the tangy, salty sauce, creates a delicious harmony. 2. Shank. This part has a denser texture, giving it a bit more chewiness. As you chew, the deep flavors of the beef come through beautifully, making it a favorite for meat lovers. 3. Ox tongue, thinly sliced. The ox tongue is tender and slightly buttery. It melts in your mouth, especially when paired with the dipping sauce. 4. Beef tendon. If you're a fan of chewy, gelatinous textures, you'll love the tendon. It has a satisfying bounce when you bite into it, and pairs perfectly with the warm broth. The assorted boiled hanwoo platter is all about savoring the distinct qualities of different beef cuts. When paired with the soy dipping sauce, the flavors are enhanced, making each bite incredibly satisfying. When you find a good restaurant, the broth will be rich and flavorful, and the meat will be tender, juicy, and full of the essence of beef. Sharp spicy beef tripe stew. Next, we have the spicy beef tripe stew, which is made with one of the four stomachs of the cow, the tripe. The tripe has a chewy, satisfying texture, and when cooked in the spicy broth, it becomes incredibly flavorful. The stew starts off with a slightly spicy kick, but as it simmers, the flavors deepen and become more complex. The combination of the tripe's richness with the spicy broth creates a truly addictive dish. The best part about enjoying spicy beef tripe stew is when you finish off with udon noodles. Once you've had your fill of the meat and vegetables, add the udon to the remaining rich broth. The key is to let the noodles fully absorb the flavors of the spicy broth before you eat them. The noodles soak up all that goodness, making each bite a perfect end to the meal. Sharp Korean drinking culture. In Korea, these two dishes are often enjoyed not just as meals, but as side dishes with alcohol, particularly soju or makgeolli. The hearty flavors of the meat paired with the slight sweetness or sharpness of these drinks create a balanced and satisfying experience. You'll often see people alternating between bites of the savory beef and sips of soju, enjoying how the two complement each other. Once your stomach starts to feel full, it's common to finish off the meal with a carb like rice or noodles. For the spicy beef tripe stew, udon noodles are highly recommended, as they absorb the rich, spicy broth, making the perfect finishing touch to the meal. Sharp how to find the best restaurants in Seoul. Now, if you're wondering where to find the best assorted boiled hanwoo platter or spicy beef tripe stew in Seoul, here are some tips. 1. Look for hanwoo specialty restaurants. These places often serve high-quality, fresh hanwoo beef, and you'll get the best flavor and texture from the beef cuts. 2. For tripe stew, go to restaurants that specialize in hot pot or tripe dishes. The freshness of the tripe is crucial to avoid any off flavors, and these places tend to have the best tasting broth. 3. Check out online reviews on Korean platforms like Naver or blogs. These reviews often provide detailed insights into which restaurants have the best flavor and service. In Seoul, areas like Mapo and Socho are known for their great hanwoo and tripe dishes, so those are good places to start. To wrap things up, both the assorted boiled hanwoo platter and spicy beef tripe stew offer a rich, flavorful way to experience the best of Korean beef. Don't forget to finish off with udon noodles for a perfect ending to your meal. If you ever visit Seoul, be sure to seek out these delicious dishes and let the rich, deep flavors of Korean beef leave a lasting impression. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back with more exciting Korean food adventures. Thank you for watching.